Hello, good people. Do you want to make your PowerPoint presentation super exclusive? Then this video is for you and it's totally free. Pixton, the must-have PowerPoint presentation add-in, helps you to decorate your presentation with their comic character features. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First, create a new PowerPoint presentation file by clicking right button of your mouse and go to New, and there you can find Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Here I am using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation 2019. Now enter into it. Here under the Insert tab, you will find a tab named Get Add-ins. Click on it. You will find Office Add-ins window. Here under the Store section, you will see a search box where you have to type Pixton comic character. Press enter. Now you will see the add-in at first. Now press on Add. Click on Agree to all the above terms and conditions by ticking it. Click on Continue, and here you will see the Comic-Con's Pixton add-in. Click on Comic-Con Pixton comic characters and you will see a side tab here. Wait for a moment, and at first you will see some instructions. Click on Next, Next, got it, and here you will see your desired characters. Now choose your desired one. Here I'm going to choose this one, and after that you have to choose your desired outfit. Here I'm going to choose this one. After that you have to choose your desired expression. So I'm going to choose this one. Now there are two options, one without text bubble and one with text bubble where you can write down your quote. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to write my quote here. So I'm going to type, "This is it." So here there is a tab called Insert Character. Click on it and within a moment you will see the character on your slide. Voila, you can see the comic character here. So this comic character can easily be resized or relocated anywhere on your slide easily. And that's all for today. See you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.